My son requests the cilantro lime rice a few times a week. So today I'm sharing the recipe with you and recording it so dad or anyone else in the house can make it when I'm not there. G, this one's for you. So first things first, I like to have all my ingredients ready. The rice I already cooked in a pot by putting rice, water, a tablespoon of oil, and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna bring that to a boil, and once it's boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat to low, put the lid on it, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. When the rice is ready, I remove the lid, fluff my rice, and air it out because I want to evaporate the excess moisture from the rice because I'm gonna be adding lime juice, and then you don't wanna have soggy rice. I also like to have my cilantro chopped ahead of time, so when I get to making the cilantro lime rice and toss everything together in my pan, I can do it really quickly. If you hate chopping cilantro or separating it from the leaves, I've got a video for you which I'll link below showing you how to chop cilantro the right way and really fast. I like cilantro lime rice with plenty of garlic, plenty of lime, and plenty of cilantro. Nothing plain about this. You just wanna peel your garlic clove and set it aside. I just chop the ends of the garlic and remove the peel just like that. My quick tip is to grate your garlic. You can use a microplane or one of these inexpensive, which I'll link this one below, zesters, and I just grate it right on my board like this. You could also finely chop the garlic, but this way, when you grate it, it's not going to burn in your pan, and I'm teaching you all my tricks today. I also find it really helpful to have my lime juice and zest already done too. I'm just zesting one of the limes. I find that that's enough, and I put it right into the bowl. And then I take my lime juicer thing. Now, if your limes are kind of hard to juice, put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Cold limes right out of the fridge don't give out so much juice. I've heated up my pan, and you want to use a large pan with sides, whether it's a cast iron skillet or one of these, both work. Now that my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to heat up my olive oil real quick. And immediately I'm gonna take my garlic, and I just wanna 10 to 15 seconds, fry it up like that. It's gonna smell amazing. You wanna make sure you don't burn it, so right when you start to see these little crispy ends like that, your heat should be on medium. You're gonna take your cooked rice and put it right over the top. Sometimes these spatulas bend, so it makes the job harder. So what I like to do is grab a wooden spatula or one that's nice and firm, and you can break up your rice as you heat it up and mix it with the garlic. You wanna keep scraping it from the bottom of the pan. Now at this point, your heat should be to low. You're gonna take all that cilantro, put it right over the top of your rice. This is a very generous recipe with the cilantro. And then you take your lime zest and lime juice and do the same. And you're gonna hear that sizzle. Look up close, see that lime zest? You want to mix that all around once you've added your lime juice. This is so easy to make. You can also do this with leftover rice. I'm gonna turn off the heat, give it a quick taste test. So delicious. The measurements to this awesome recipe are right below this video, and give this a thumbs up. See you guys next time.